Hi there, this is Spencer with Zima Software. This session is going to focus on AI agent personas and settings. On the left-hand side, we're going to click on AI agent profiles. There are several set up here already in the system. We're going to show you how to make one from the ground up, starting with Add AI Agent. AI agent name. This is the name in which will show up on reports and which you internally know this bot as. That's different than, say, agent nickname. Agent nickname is going to be what the customer knows them as. So they can be different, they don't have to be, but sometimes you have more of an internal facing name for your purposes versus what you want external people to know them as. So as an example, we might call them Mr. Support internally, but support extraordinaire to our customers. Extension number is interesting. We decided to do this because it makes it easy from the standpoint of running reports. If I want to have a report run for my AI agent, I can do that simply by selecting from the dropdown an agent. Just like I have a human entity, contact center, customer support person, I can select the AI agent in the same way and run reports side by side for all of it. Canned greeting, this is optional. Basically, this will apply as soon as they open up a web page or send in a message. However you kind of want to phrase this, you can do that, but I'll show and highlight how this works and how this pops later as we demonstrate the actual chatting feature. Maybe something like this. And the next part is really fun, but ultimately the AI agent persona can be whatever you want. For example, I can have my AI agent personality be more empathetic. I can have them be more professional. I can have them be more jovial or fun. Whatever I really want to do as far as personality there, to kind of give them this more of a human connection, I can do that. It really depends upon your company culture and really what you want to convey to your customers is kind of up to you, but the cool thing about this is it's fully customizable. In this case, this is just a quick example that I threw out there. If at any time I want to go back in and I want to adjust the personality or persona or profile, I click on the gear up here after selecting the bot and go through and make a few changes here. So the canned greeting or the persona, I can go in there and change as I need to. As just a final example of the power of the personas, I want to show you a couple things. Go back into agent profiles. Again, I can edit them. So I'll select my existing ones, click edit, and then click the little gear at the top. This is one that I set up previously as I was testing the system, and notice how outlandish my persona is. It does a really good job at really embodying this character and this persona you created for it. This is just one example of many that you can do to customize your bot internally.